I'm Zoe from Heart of BS13. Today we're going to make a bird feeder at home. This is the toilet roll bird feeder, so all you need is some peanut butter, just normal butter or margarine, toilet roll, cardboard innards, bird seed and a knife and some string, and scissors for the string. So step 1 is to cover the toilet roll holder in peanut butter, so you can use a knife to do this, a nice thick covering. Step 2 is to roll the toilet roll holder in the bird seed. Then do the string, so pop the string through the middle, double tie it, and then find somewhere suitable for it to hang.